This tutorial shows you how to add an activity listing for your customers to book onto. First, from your dashboard, click on Classes and Activities. Then, click the Add New button. Now you need to enter all the details about your activity, starting with the name. And then, add a description to explain to your customers what the activity is all about. Next, you can add an image. Either drag and drop one into this box, or click here to add an image from your computer. The next section is where you can add further details about your activity. First, pick the age group which it is suitable for. Then, you can choose if you'd like to show a map with the address of the activity by ticking or unticking this box. If you'd like the map to be displayed, then just enter the postcode of the activity here. Next, it's time to set the payment details. First, add your price. You can choose either price per term or price per session. If it's a recurring activity, then pick the price per term option. You can add on an option to allow customers to book single sessions too further down. Now set your limit for the amount of tickets you can sell for your session. Now you need to choose how you'd like your customers to pay. You can allow offline cash payments by ticking this first box, and select this box below to allow people to make online payments with their credit or debit card. Next, you need to set the date and start times for your activity. If the activity is recurring, then tick this box and add the end date and how often it reoccurs. You can tick your next box if your activity is term time only. If this box is ticked, then it will add a term time only label to your activity listing. Next, there are some advanced options which allow you to manage the way your activity can be booked in more detail. First, you can choose whether to allow one-off bookings or not. If you allow booking of single sessions, then you can set the price per session here. You can choose whether or not to allow latecomers. If you select this option, then people will be able to book onto your activity partway through a term. The payment due will be prorated using the per term rate to reflect the number of sessions remaining. You can pick whether to allow customers to cancel their bookings online themselves or not. If you select this option, then refunds will be generated automatically if the customer chooses to cancel. If not, then they will need to contact you to request to cancel, and you would need to action this within your account. In the next option, you can create a discount code which you can give to customers. You might wish to do this to offer a free trial session or perhaps half-price vouchers. In this next option, you can create a password to password protect an activity or an event. You might want to use this for a private invitation-only activity. Just tick the box and choose the password you'd like to set. The final option is to enable a waiting list for activities which are fully booked. If you choose this option, then you can set up the system to email everyone on the waiting list in order if a space becomes available. You can choose in this box how much space to leave between the emails that works down the waiting list. Once you're happy with everything, then click on Create Activity to save all your information and settings. You'll then be able to see your completed listing in your account here, and it's all ready for your customers to book onto.